Plug TV. Hey guys, what's going on? It's your girl Anyberry, and I'm super excited to be back on your screen again right here on Plug TV. You know, Plug TV brings you the latest movie right here, about to eat the city of Lagos and Nigeria at large. I mean, the latest movie about to hit the cinemas, and it's no other movie than the Bitter Rain movie by the Wonderkind and Media, a film by Toka Makbaro, produced by Dalitina Buddha, executive producer by Henry Okpobe. I really do not know what Bitter Rain really means, but let's go hear what people have to say about this movie, as we've got the likes of Erica, Alex, AY, Stan AZ, and Mike Ezuruonye. We've got Zubby Michael and Efe right here in this movie. So let's go watch it and let's see what he has to say. Bitter Rain movie premiere, and with me here is one of the major cast of this great movie, Efe. What's going on?
I'm fine. Even if you were angry that I took your space on the red carpet, now you're smiling with me, Abby. No.
So tell me, Efe, what can you say about this movie and your role particularly?
The movie is something different. Honestly, when I got the scripts, I was just like, yes. I love it. I love scary movies. I love thrillers. So being on the sets, I felt amazing. I got to act on set with a lot of amazing people. There was AY comedian, Mike Ezuruonye, Alex Ekubo, Erica as well as on it, Stan Inze. So the vibes on set was amazing. We were really cool. We were nice. Toka Magbaro directed it, and he did an amazing job, I must say. I haven't seen it, but I already know that. It's Toka. You got to trust him. And I'm happy that people are going to see the amazingness that we made. My character and her husband, Alex plays my husband in this, they are literally the crazy ones who would find the scariest place on earth and go on a vacation there. So it's literally a Mythbusters type of situation, but yeah, they find something there.
Okay guys, we're still live here at the movie premiere of Bitter Rain, and I'm super excited to actually meet with Mr. Deyemi Okola again.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Alright, so tell me, you're not in this movie, but you are here. So what can you say about the movie itself, Bitter Rain?
First of all, if you want to know a good movie, look at the people in the movie. Make sure it's people who you know do great work. Not because they're talented, but because they're very selective about what they do. So people who are talented, but select what they do. If you look at the poster, you have Alex Ekubo, AY Makun, Efe Irele, we have Stan Inze, we have Erica. Erica is in the movie, you know what I'm saying? You know, and of course, Mike Ezuruonye. And I mean, he's a great guy. So I just felt it was absolutely necessary for me to be here as a show of support. I think every member of Nollywood should be supporting Nollywood, and then every Nigerian who really has been the reason why we birthed Nollywood should also support Nollywood. It's really, really important.
Okay guys, we're still right here at the movie premiere of The Bitter Rain, and with me here is the director of this great movie, Mr. Toka Makbaro.
No, actually, I'm the producer, Dalitina Buddha.
Yeah. Good evening, sir.
Good evening, very well, thank you.
So tell me, what can you say about this movie, Bitter Rain? Because we've got people wondering outside the world, like, okay, what's this movie all about? Like, Bitter Rain, why does it title?
The rains of a particular town was bitter. You know, there's a story in the Bible where there was a particular spring that was bitter because people couldn't drink from it. And within this film, for a particular point in time, the rains in the town was bitter, and anytime the rains fell, the crops were destroyed, things happened because of a cause that was on the land. So essentially the film talks about the adventure to go behind the scenes, look for the reason for the curse, and then resolve it. Yeah.
So was it actually
I'll wait. Watch it and see.
Okay, can you tell me the challenges that you actually faced during the course of this production?
We had to travel, so Yeah, we had to travel to Asaba, so it was a mix of crew and cast members from different spaces. So we had some people from Lagos, some from Asaba, some from Enugu, some from Kaduna, because that's where the director is from. So, so we basically had to make, learn to speak the same language, all with the vision of making a good film. So the first few days we're trying to understand ourselves, but we got it right.
Okay, guys, we're still live here at the movie premiere of The Bitter Rain, and with me here is actually the king in this particular movie because I saw the trailer of this movie and I could see that as a king in this movie. So, Mr. Mike Ezuruonye, this is actually my first time seeing you in a movie premiere, so I'm super excited. All right, so tell us what Bitter Rain is all about and your role as a king in this movie.
Well, Bitter Rain is a story of a certain kingdom, a certain king, the fight against a certain myth and amidst reality. This is me just not trying to get everything out. Amidst some certain realities of the myth and a certain task that had to be done by the king before the rains come. Because if the rains come, then everything becomes bitter in the land. Good.
It's been a super amazing night for this great movie premiere, Bitter Rain, a wonder kind of media. And also, this movie actually is about the adventure of the truth. I mean, the adventure of the truth begins, but I'm not gonna tell you guys what this movie is all about. Just come rush out August 13th, come see this movie as we've got a comedian, your star girl Erica is actually presenting this movie, Mike Ezuruonye, who happens to be the king. Come watch what this act is really talking about in Bitter Rain, coming out August 13th. Keep it plugged down on Plugtv, where we bring you the latest movie premieres happening right here in Nigeria. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Do not forget to follow us on Instagram, on Twitter. It's your favorite girl, Annieberry, the energy host. We'll be signing out from here. Peace out.